Ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Take out reasoning books. Take out your reasoning books, everyone. Be ready with your reasoning books.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I'm saying take out your reasoning books.
Please repeat.
I don't know why you can't hear me. Check your networks.
Good morning, ma'am.
Switch off your mic. Switch off your mic and switch on your cameras. And take out your reasoning books.
Ma'am, you have to make a new copy.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please don't start. I'm
Ma'am,
getting my
question.
my
Tell me ये
reasoning book.
क्वेश्चन लाते कहाँ से हो ये वाले कि न्यू नोटबुक ये क्वेश्चन आता कहाँ से है न्यू नोटबुक वाला क्या पुरानी नोटबुक खत्म हो गई है पुरानी रीजनिंग की बुक खत्म हो गई है रीजनिंग की बुक खत्म हो गई है पूरी की पूरी पता नहीं कहाँ से क्वेश्चन लाते हो ये वाला आई नो ये प्रणव ने पूछा होगा सबसे पहले ये वाला क्वेश्चन क्या न्यू क्लास स्टार्ट हो रहा है तुम्हारा जो न्यू नोटबुक हाँ open your cameras quickly camera open karo if you are not going to switch on your camera I'm going to throw you out jaldi open karo quick
Ma'am, the same book in which we wrote those things.
yes Varshita please obviously in that one open your cameras Ashutosh Kunal specially बोलना पड़ेगा तुम्हें Jasrina Kunal Ashutosh Yuvraj Nagar Daksh Pratap Singh open your cameras quickly open your cameras Jasrina change your name Yashmit please change your name और जसकरण how are you किससे खेल रहे हो आज
Ma'am, I
playing with a thread क्यों जसकरण कुणाल और कनव बेटा कैमरा ऑन करना है या बाहर जाना है क्लास के कुणाल और कनव क्या बेटा कैमरा ऑन कर रहे हो या क्लास के बाहर जाओगे एक बात अपने आप ही डिसाइड कर लो ओके हमने किया था लेट्स लास्ट टाइम where we have done
Ma'am, till question 2.
till question
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
question 2.
Ma'am,
चलो
my reasoning. Ma'am, can I get my reasoning textbook?
अरे बेटा वर्षिता लेनी है ले लो नहीं लेनी है मत लो disturbing a lot तुम्हारी जहां मर्जी है वर्षिता वहां लिख लो ओके हैप्पी okay let's start the third question page number I'm telling you page number it is page number कौन सा बेटा ये page 7 okay page 7 okay let me spotlight myself and please switch off your mic Varshita now page 7, question number 3. Fill in the missing numbers. ठीक है, first one is written 1 0 2 2 3 5.
Man, your screen is black.
Which my screen is black.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Akshda, please
No,
check your
ma'am.
connection, बच्चे. Check
No,
your
ma'am.
connection. Rejoin it, Akshda. Do one thing. Join it again.
Okay, ma'am.
And for me also it's black, so I am rejoining.
Okay, beta. 6 7 2. And this one is question mark 3 6 9. This is quite difficult one. Let me see who can answer this. मुझे answer नहीं चाहिए, मुझे answer with reason चाहिए. तो जो भी लिखेगा, जो भी टाइप करेगा आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स, they must tell me that they must be able to tell me the reason also, what will come here, why it will come here, what will come here, and why it will come here. You have to tell both the things. Tell me who can answer. Let me see. This is the question number 3. So let me see who can answer this question.
40 multiply 2.
कौन कर रहा है ये यथार्थ? यथार्थ पहले डिस्कस कर लो सबसे, ठीक है?
Ma'am, I know Akshita. Can I tell?
Yes, Akshda, tell what is the reason.
Ma'am, the answer is 115.
Better tell me the reason also. Without reason, no answers. If you know the reason, then you can ask. Tell me. Reason क्या है? Reason
Ma'am,
पता है? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, first we have to multiply 3 3s are 5 5s are 9 9s and 6 6s are. The answer will come. So then we have to plus and we have to add the answer and
जैसे क्या? 3 3s are फिर
3 3s are 5 5s are 9 9s and 6 6s are.
5 5s are 9 9s are. 9 और 6 क्यों करोगे बच्चे? 9 और 6 क्यों?
Ma'am, 5 multiplied by 5, 9 multiplied by 9 and 6 multiplied
9
by
और 6
9.
क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया है? 9 और 6. अच्छा लास्ट वाले का बता रहे हो. Okay. I think you are telling me the reason. Okay, she's saying by doing this. 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25, 9 9s are 81, 6 6s are 6 6 are Akshda?
Ma'am, 36.
36.
Ma'am, 36.
You will add them. Okay, लेकिन इसके लिए ये पैटर्न यहाँ पर भी होना चाहिए और ये पैटर्न यहाँ पर भी होना चाहिए. As Akshda told me, this is one of the pattern coming. कि सबको मल्टीप्लाई करो और सबको ऐड कर दो. ओके, सो लेट्स सी इज दिस एप्लीकेबल इन द सेकंड वन. 3 3s are, इस वाले में चेक कर रहे हैं, पहले मैं इस पे चेक कर रही हूँ. 3 3s are 5 5s are 8 8s are 2 2s are. 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25, 8 8s are 64 and 2 2s are 4. So let's add it. 4 4 8 8 5 13, 13 plus 9 कितना हुआ? 13 plus 9 is 22. 2 to 4, 4 6 10, 10 0 0, 10 0 102. Is it coming 102? Yes, it is coming 102. So this can be the pattern, but हमें इधर भी चेक करना पड़ेगा यही पैटर्न आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. 2 2s are 7.
Ma'am, second one is also right.
Okay, 7 7s are 6 7s are 4 4s are 2 2s
Ma'am,
are
do
4.
we have to, ma'am,
हाँ. Yes.
do we have to write the answers in book or in copy?
बेटा कॉपी में अगर बुक के सामने जगह है तो बुक में लिख लो उसका रीजन सामने, और बुक में जगह नहीं है तो कहीं कॉपी पर लिख लो, एज यू विश.
Ma'am,
you have written
Ma'am, I don't understand. Can you explain
Ma'am,
again?
Yes, Jasrina.
I am
See,
writing on
beta,
board.
whatever the numbers are here na, the corners.
Ma'am, your screen is not clear.
Beta, please check your network connection or join it again. See, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Jasrina, see, the numbers are at the corners. The numbers which are at the corners, multiply them twice. For example, here it is written 3582 3582 उसको उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करो। 3 है तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 5 है तो 5 से, 8 है तो 8 से, 2 है तो 2 से। उन सबका आंसर जो भी आएगा उसको ऐड कर दो। सो मैंने इधर ये किया 2764 2764 2764 sorry 64 6 6 are 36 will be here. Sorry. 40 6 4 10 10 9 19 19 plus 6 is 25 2 carry 4 3 7 7 3 10 105 is coming. Yes, 105 is coming. That means we will add them and we will get the answer. 9 1
Okay,
10
ma'am.
6 1 11
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
9 1 10 10 5 15 plus 6 21 2 2 4 8 2 10 3 13 plus
What we are doing?
151. What we are doing? Who is this? The whole chapter, whole answer comes to end, and he or she is saying what we are doing. Very good. Jaldi se copy down the reason. Copy down the reason.
Okay, ma'am.
Copy down the reason quickly. I'll rub it then. Copy down the reason quickly. It's quite different one. Akshda, have you tried it yourself? HSC और को भी आता था ये answer? This one?
Ma'am, I
Anybody?
also know. I also know.
Okay. Akshda,
Ma'am, last time we did this and Aksha told the answer. Ma'am, last time we did this, Aksha told the answer.
अरे परशुता मुझे पता है बेटा क्या किया था हमने.
I was telling the answer, but your screen was blurred, so I rejoined again. And
अच्छा, Akshda, Akshda,
Yes, ma'am.
have you got the answer yourself or you tried it? You take the help from someone? अब बहुत सारों के कैमरा ऑफ हो गए हैं, पता नहीं क्या सो रहे हैं पीछे बैठ के कैमरा के या गेम खेल रहे हैं. हाँ, गेम खेल रहे हो या कैमरे के पीछे बैठ करके या क्या कर रहे हो? आई डोंट नो. आयुष्मान, या अपने पेरेंट्स से काम करा रहे हो? Daksh Pratap Singh, who will open your camera? Arhan Yadav, who will open your camera?
Ma'am,
आयुष्मान एंड परमीत. परमीत का तो हमें, परमीत को तो मैं रिमूव कर देती हूँ, इसका हमेशा कैमरा ऑफ रहता है. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिमूव हिम because he keep his camera off always. Ayushman Saxena, open your camera. So the correct answer will be 151. Yes, 151 is the correct answer. Understood? Anybody is having any problem? भव्य, बहुत अच्छे लगते हो तुम. कैमरा ओपन करके बैठा करो.
Ma'am.
Bhavya, are you able to hear me? Well, he keeps his cameras on. Okay, shall I rub this? Everyone has noted down?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
यशमित, मीटिंग क्लोज कौन सी होती है जो लेट मी? Okay, I'm going to rub this. Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying no, raise your hand. Who is saying no, raise your hand. Who is saying no, raise your hand.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, we can write the sum in any copy.
हाँ, read. We can write down.
Ma'am, in any copy.
Any copy क्यों? हाँ, any copy you can write down. लेकिन मुझसे बात नहीं बोलना मैम, मुझे ये वर्क नहीं मिला था. But I'm sending reasoning work also on the WhatsApp.
Ma'am,
D
do
group.
we have to write also options?
In D group, I'm sending this also. This work also.
Ma'am, do we have to write options?
Yes.
Okay.
See the next question. चलो next करते हैं. बहुत हो गया. Enough time I've given to you. It's already shared on the D group. You can check from the D group. ठीक है? मैंने D group पे share कर दिया. अगर किसी का नहीं हुआ है तो D group से बाद में कर लेना. Okay? Okay. See the patterns. See the next question. Fourth one. How many patterns? First वाले में how many circles are there? Count and tell me.
One.
First
Ma'am,
one,
one,
how many
ma'am,
circles are there? One circle is there. One. So I'm not writing, I'm not drawing, I'm making only one. Second वाले में कितने circles हैं?
Three.
Count and see. Third वाले में कितने circles हैं?
Five.
Next वाले में कितने हैं? Seven.
Seven.
Read the question carefully. Fourth question carefully पढ़ो. Read the fourth question carefully. What is written? How many?
How many circle will be there in pattern 10?
बाकी नहीं है क्लास में, खाली यशमित पढ़ रहे हैं. यशमित है क्लास में, बाकी कोई नहीं है क्लास में.
Ma'am,
How
I
many
think
circles?
19.
How many circles
Pattern?
will be there in pattern 10?
Pattern 10. बेटा, what mistake you people do? आप क्या करोगे? देखो, आप क्या मिस्टेक करने वाले हैं मुझे पता है. अब ने देखा 7 के बाद 9 आता है तो 9 पे टिक करना है. No, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth और ये 10th वाला हमें बताना है. ये 10th वाला. ठीक है. अब 7 के बाद क्या है?
Ma'am, मैंने कर लिया.
अरे बेटा, तो बाकी को तो करने दो. अगर मैंने कर लिया तो
Ma'am, I got the answer first.
please let others also do.
I also got.
Take care of others in your study. There are so many students studying along with you. Fifth one is 9. 9 के बाद next will be 11. 11 के बाद next 13. 15. 17.
19.
So what will be the correct answer here? 19.
90.
90. Yes.
Ma'am, please
Pattern 10
again.
will be 19. Okay, see the next question now.
Ma'am, I use the answer. One.
See the next question now.
Ma'am, please explain the fourth one.
क्या fourth one? क्या यशमित? क्या fourth one?
I'm writing it the fourth question in my notebook.
हाँ तो कर लो आराम.
I got the answer of the fifth one.
Explain fourth one again.
Fourth one, Jasrina. Who said? Jasrina, you? Jasrina, if you can see, if you read the question, they are saying what will be the pattern 10. तो मैंने जितने circles थे ना, उसको मैंने क्या कर लिया? उसको मैंने numbers में लिख लिया बेटा. First वाले में 1 circle है, second में third 3 circles है, third में 5 circles है. आपको 7 तक पता था. अब मैंने क्या किया? मुझे 10th पैटर्न बनाना था ना. 5 6 7 8 9 10 तक लिख लिया मैंने ऊपर. 10th पैटर्न बताना था, 10th वाला मुझे बताना है. तो देखो, if you check this pattern, क्या पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है? +2 +2 +2 और you can say odd numbers 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 7 odd numbers भी कह सकते हैं इसको. ठीक है. तो जब हम 17 में when we see the 10th one, तो 10th में क्या आ रहा है? 19. तो 19 will be the correct answer. Okay, Jasrina, got the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer of the fifth one.
No need to tell
Ma'am,
me.
I got the answer of the fifth one.
No need to tell me if you got the answer of the sixth one. No need to tell me. बस एक स्टार्ट होता है, बस सुनते तो कोई है ही नहीं. I got the answer एक ने बोला तो सब बोलेंगे I got
Ma'am,
the
that
answer, I
is
got the
fifth,
answer.
not sixth.
से अभी
Ma'am, we have to do fifth one.
हाँ तो ये 50 तो है बेटा. Find the missing number.
Yes, sorry. Ma'am, we brought this.
So I'm just making it. Okay, this is given in the corner here. Fifth का ये question दे रखा है. ये रहा question. ठीक है, this in the corner. So I've drawn this here. This circle I've drawn here. Okay. Okay, can you tell me, raise your hand. Only if you will raise your hand, then only I'll give you the chance to speak up. What is the pattern used over here? Okay, Yatharth will tell me. Yatharth, raise the hand first.
Ma'am, we have to multiply 7, 6, so 7 6 are 42, and 7 we should multiply 7 9, so 7 9s are 63, and 6 4s is equal to 24, and 9 4s are 36.
Okay, very good. Okay,
answer.
Arhan, can you tell me the reason? Arhan,
I also have the same reason.
Arhan, can you? Okay, very good. That means, see, जो one skip करके, if you multiply 6 and 7, if you multiply 6 and 7, you will get 42. If you multiply 9 and 7, 7 and 9, तो कितना आ रहा है? 63. अब 9 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 36 आए, 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 24 आ जाए? 60 divided by 24 कब आता है? 4. So 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer. You can write like this. ऐसे draw कर सकते हो उसी फ्लावर के ऊपर. ठीक है? Now the sixth one. Sixth one. Which number will continue the series in the below? जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको ऐसे बॉक्स बने हुए आए. आप ऐसे ही चेक कर सकते हो. 26, 28, 28, 30.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
32, 30.
Ma'am, I got the answer too.
Please don't tell me that you got the answer. Okay? Just shut up. 10 बार बोल चुकी हूँ. Don't tell me that you got the answer. एक बोलेगा तो पूरा क्लास यही बोलता रहेगा. मेरी कोई नहीं सुनने वाला है. पूरा क्लास यही बोलेगा I got the answer. Okay, raise your hands if you know the answer with the reason. Arav, what happened to your hairs? Are you having a pony?
No, ma'am, my hairs are so long.
So cut them. Get them cut.
But ma'am, there is lockdown, so ma'am, I can't go outside.
Okay, so you are taking precautions also. Yes, it is important.
And
to
ma'am,
take
I have
precautions.
also not taken the vaccine.
Okay, then it's okay. But try some other method. घर पे ही काट लो थोड़े से.
Ma'am, my father cuts my hair when my hair gets long.
Okay, tell me who knows this answer. This one. Raise your hands. ये raise hand ये वाले
Ma'am,
मत
I
करो.
know.
I want your hands on the video. I know. I want to see your hands in the video, not here. आप तो सारे
Ma'am, I
answers
know.
पहले से करके बैठी हो, हैं? बेटा एक तो माइक बार बार क्यों ऑन कर लेते हो? मेरी समझ नहीं आता. Why are you switching on your mic every time? यशमित का तो परमानेंट ऑन है, ऑफ होता ही नहीं है. बस आई नो कहने के लिए भी रेज सब आई नो नहीं होता है. हैंड रेज किया जाता है कैमरा पर. ओके, आई नो मेरी सुनाई नहीं देता है. रेज योर हैंड्स ऑन द कैमरा फॉर द सिक्स्थ वन. पांचल आता है सिक्स्थ वाला? वो कहाँ है आज? शौर्य त्यागी. हाँ जसकरण, तुम्हें आता है सिक्स्थ वाला?
Ma'am, the answer is 28.
I don't know. I will see. But reason, tell me, how have you done this? Answer का नहीं पता बेटा मुझे, but you can tell me the reason.
Ma'am, when I plus 2, ma'am, when the 26 6 plus 2, so
Hmm.
the 28 comes 2 times.
Hmm.
When again the 2 was added, so
Hmm.
so again the 30 comes 2 times.
30
Now
कहाँ आ रहे
two-
2 times?
two-
अच्छा sorry, I made mistake here. 30
Ma'am, I wrote the
30
reason.
sorry, 2 बार 30 आ गया, ठीक. फिर
Ma'am, I think I'm solving in I am not solving in.
Can I?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got
can
the
I
answer. Can I answer, please?
no, please switch off your mic and raise your hands. I told you there are so many sittings to students also here. Are they opening their mic and they are saying disturbing? Yes, आख्या, बहुत दिन बाद हैंड रेस किया आख्या तुमने. हाँ, इतने टाइम बाद आंसर करोगी, मैं तो तुम्हारा नाम भूल गई थी आख्या. I forgot your name. मुझे रीजन बताओ बेटा, आंसर नहीं चाहिए.
And because if we see the second number, it is 28, and if we see the fourth
थोड़ा
number,
तो बेटा come closer and speak. हाँ.
now if we see the second number, it is 28,
हाँ.
and if we see the fourth number, it is 30. So when we will add 2 in 28, so it will 30.
हाँ.
Then after 30 will be then 32. So it is adding 2 by 2.
नहीं बेटा, यहाँ पे तो 30 है, 2 बार है ना, 2 बार 30 है. अगर आप इसमें ऐड करोगे, देखो जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं 28 है, 1 लीव, अच्छा आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो 2 लीव करके 30 आ गया, तो 1 2 लीव करके ऐसे 30 आ जाएगा. ये तो रॉन्ग हो रहा है ना. No, anybody else? Raise your hands.
Ma'am, I know the answer. Can I?
भाई वर्षिता, मैं कैसे समझाऊं this girl?
Ma'am, I didn't say anything. Ma'am, I didn't say anything.
You did not say anything. तो किसने बोला था अभी ये?
Ma'am, I
बोला था
said
ये बीच में? I know the answer. Akshita, don't speak like this in between. I don't know. I know the answer. May I tell? Everyone here knows the answer, but they have to raise their hands. Raise your hands. Instead of speaking, just raise your hand. Okay, Yatharth, tell. Let others also give the chance. Rasya, are you raising your hand, beta? Why you raise? तो properly करा करो, मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था. I thought you are this. अभी I'll ask you. ठीक है, first Yatharth answer, then I will ask you. Okay, Rasya?
First is 20. So we add in this is 27 is missing. So we add 1. It is 28, and then it is also 28, and we plus 2. It's 30, and we should minus it, so it is 28, and we should plus 2, it's 32, and
Hello, okay, leave
then
it. Leave it. Rasya, you tell me. Rasya?
Okay, ma'am. 26 and 28 we add plus 2.
कौन सा वाला 28 बेटा? ये वाला?
Yes, ma'am, third.
ये वाला?
Ma'am, third.
थर्ड वाला. Okay, थर्ड वाला. ठीक है रास्या. Okay, थर्ड वाला.
And then, ma'am, 30 plus 2, so that's 30.
Very good, Rasya. Very good. She actually told the correct answer. देखो इधर.
And ma'am, with
हाँ.
32 is the
Very
answer.
good. Very good, Rasya. ठीक है. She gave the correct explanation, right? What is the explanation she is giving? Look here. I'm just removing her from this. You can switch off your mic, beta. Rasya. Noise is coming, so you can switch it off. देखो, she gave the correct answer. Very good. 26 को अगर आप बीच में 28 हाइड कर दो, As you can see 26, 28, 28 repeat हो रहा है, 30, 30 repeat हो रहा है, 28 और 32 repeat नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पर. So what will you do here? यहाँ क्या करेंगे? 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 plus 2 एक एक skip कर दो इसमें. ये 28 वाला skip कर दो. ये 30 skip कर दो. तो 30 आ रहा है यहाँ पर. 30 plus 2 is 32. फिर again we will do skip one number and it will be plus 2. 32 plus 2, 34. ठीक है? 34 is the correct answer. 28 plus 2 अगर आप ये ऐसे skip करोगे तो 28 plus 2 30. 30 plus 2 32. 30 में आप 2 ऐड करोगे तो 32 आ जाएगा. और 32 में भी अगर आप सॉरी ये तो सेम ही हो गया ना. ये स्किप किया तो ये वाला 30 आ रहा है. इस वाले 30 सॉरी -2 आ रहा है यहाँ पर. 30 minus 2 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. अब ऊपर क्या चल रही है? ऊपर +2 -2 +2 ऐसे चल रहा है. और नीचे क्या चल रहा है? +2 +2 +2. ठीक है. अगर मैं नेक्स्ट नंबर 34 का भी नेक्स्ट पूछूंगी तो क्या होगा? तो आप 30 में से -2 कर दोगे, दैट विल बी 28. ठीक है. अगर मैं पूछती तो अगर आपसे नेक्स्ट पैटर्न पूछा होता इसका तो ऊपर पैटर्न चल रहा है +2 -2 और नीचे पैटर्न चल रहा है +2 +2 +2. Okay, very good, Rasya. Given the correct explanation, what I wanted, this should be the correct reason. Although everyone knows, यथार्थ ने भी दिया था. यथार्थ यही रीजन दिया था?
No, ma'am.
नहीं दिया था ना ये. This is the correct reason. Anybody is having any problem in these 3 questions?
No, ma'am.
D group also.
Ma'am, can you explain the second one?
Second one जो है बेटा मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है एक एक स्किप करके. 6 7 को अगर आप छोटे नंबर्स आप स्मॉलर नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो बीच वाला नंबर आ रहा है. 6 7 are 42, 9 7 are 63. अब 9 को आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे कि 36 आ जाए? 9 की टेबल में 36 कब आता है? 9 4s are 36.
I was asking this one.
Which one? ये वाला 6th वाला?
Ma'am, second.
ये वाला?
No, ma'am, second.
अच्छा सेकंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. बेटा उसमें जो येलो बॉक्सेस में नंबर्स हैं उन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई बीच में लिखी है. ठीक है. 123 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 861 आ जाएगा. 7 को 51 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 357 आ जाएगा. 51 को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 9 को 102 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
Ma'am,
कौन सा वाला?
question 7.
Question 7 अभी कर रही हूँ. First let them write down. They are noting it down. No? The camera writing it. Beta, we are lacking behind in reasoning, so we have to be a little quick. ठीक है? Let's be quick. We are lacking very much behind in reasoning. शौर्य त्यागी, where were you? कहाँ थे तुम? Four, 12, 7th question. I'm telling 7th question and direction क्या है? Find the missing number. 4, 12, 20, 28, 36, 52, 60, and 68. Who can tell me the reason? Raise your arms, raise your hands.
Ma'am, we are speaking 8.
What?
Ma'am, 4 plus 8 is equals to 12, and ma'am, 12 plus 20 is equal.
Just Reena, stop it. Not like this. You have to raise your hands.
Sorry, ma'am, I forgot.
Arhan, tell. Arhan, you are becoming thinner these days. How it happened?
Ma'am, in this question we are adding 8 in every number. Like 4 plus 8, 12. And when we add 8 and 36, we will get 44.
Okay, let's check it. ठीक है, यानी 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 8 is, पहले बेटा चेक करना बहुत जरूरी होता है, ठीक है, कुछ भी मिसिंग नहीं होना चाहिए, यहाँ तक टेबल ठीक आनी चाहिए पूरी, और आगे भी ठीक आनी चाहिए, ये नहीं कि यहाँ तक मिसिंग नंबर तक हमने निकाली है, आगे भी ठीक आनी चाहिए, none should be wrong. 52 plus 8 is 60, 60 plus 8 is, तो इसका मतलब है यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, 36 plus 8 is 44.
Ma'am, is equals to 44.
Yes, 44.
And ma'am, my reason also same.
Everyone's reason same, Jastrina. Now you are just not following the rules. And speaking in between. If you have problem like I cannot understand this question, you can speak in between. Then also please try to wait that I will stop, then speak. Okay, then you can speak. But unnecessary things. दूसरों को चांस ही नहीं दे रहे हो, अपने ही चांस लिए जा रहे हो. There are so many students sitting in class. See, मैं कितने सारे ऐसे हैं, I don't have a word with them. मैं उन्हें कोई क्वेश्चन देती हूँ, मतलब उन्हें चांस ही नहीं मिलता बताने का. I want to give them chance, but they are not getting chances because you people speak in between. So let others also give some chance. Okay, 0, 2, 6, 12, question mark, question 30, 42 and 56. आश्रय बताएगा इसका आंसर आज.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
आंसर आश्रय बताओगे आज तुम, इसका आंसर तुम्हें बताना है आश्रय.
Ma'am, can I?
No. Raise your hand those who want to tell the answers. Those who know it and they may want to tell the answer. What about others? किसी और को नहीं आ रहा है? बस जो 2-3 students है वही बताते रहते हैं. There is nobody else. Samarth, open your camera. Samarth, I know you can tell beta. You have a good reasoning. ये कहाँ गया दस्करन? इसकी भी बहुत अच्छी है. Where is he? भाग गया ये. You also have a good reasoning. Okay, Arav, I got a new hand. Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
तो-
from 0 to 2, there is 1 number gap, and from 2 to 6, there is 2 number gap.
Okay, you
So,
can
ma'am,
say it is 0 plus 2 is there. And 2 से 6 तक क्या बोला? कितना गैप है? 3, 4.
Ma'am,
अच्छा चलो. 0 से 2 में कितना गैप है? 1 का गैप है. 3, 4, 5 का गैप है. हाँ, फिर
ma'am, 5.
अरे बेटा एक सिंपल से बताऊं. शौर्य जो कह रहे हो, it may be wrong, शौर्य, because 6. शौर्य ये wrong है. No, शौर्य wrong है.
Ma'am, I know the reason.
Ma'am, I all know the reason.
आरव बेटा ठीक नहीं बताया. Okay, let me see.
This is a subtract. Ma'am, I know the reason.
I know the reason.
प्लीज स्टॉप शेयरिंग. मुझे किसी भव्य तुम्हारा फेस ही दिखेगा, तुम्हारी एक बात नहीं सुनने वाली हूँ मैं. कैमरा ऑन करो. सुबह से बोल रही हूँ कैमरा ऑन करने के लिए तुम्हें. मैथ्स पीरियड से बोल रही हूँ मैं कैमरा ऑन करने के लिए. अब ओपन हुआ है कैमरा. बताओ बताओ.
Ma'am, in this, in between 0 and 2, they have minus 1, and in
0 2 में -1 कर देंगे. 0 2 में -1 हो जाएगा कैसे?
मैम इन बिटवीन जीरो
अच्छा तो 1 नहीं लिखा है, चलो 1 नहीं है, 1 मिसिंग है, चलो नेक्स्ट।